Welcome back to the Jacked Racing YouTube channel. Welcome back to New Smyrna Speedway. It's been a long time since we made a video on the YouTube channel. We've been super active over on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, but we're back on YouTube today. Speed Weeks, Florida, best time of the year. 8 nights of racing this year at World Series at New Smyrna. We lost one tomorrow because of weather, and I'm sure Daytona's going to have some trouble too, but we're here, New Smyrna, World Series of Asphalt. We're ready to go. 25 laps of pro truck racing tonight. We've got 21 trucks signed in, at least when I went to get my transponder, so we're going to have a huge field. If you were here last year, you saw that we had a problem. We had a guy on a golf cart break our truck in the lineup chute and didn't get to race. So we're here for redemption this year. We're going to race. We're going to have a good time. We're about to go out for qualifying, so we're just getting a couple of things bolted up on the truck. We got a couple of new tires, not quite a full set. They didn't have the selection we wanted, but we'll use what we got and go have some fun. So we're going to go qualify and see where we stack up. Well, we're cursed. We had a steering problem going out to practice this time, better than before the race like last year, but this one not as big a deal, obviously, as having your shaft broken. But this one, what happened was the tie rod, when I turned left to back out, somehow weaseled itself under the sway bar link and jammed up. So we got the Sawzall, cut that off. That won't happen anymore, so we're all good, no big deal. Qualified 16th, truck handled pretty well. We were lucky to even make it out. It was a scramble and we just barely made it in time to get some laps. So didn't really have a whole lot of time to prepare for that, but at least we got the truck out there and made some laps. We'll go see if we can pass a couple of other cars, see how the race shakes up and see what we can do. So let's go racing.
Wadded up big time. However, that is my God.
Ricky Bobby! I'm on fire! Oh, I do. Smoking a light like me.
Yay, the parts guy's here. Oh my God. I think you might need this. Unbelievable.
It's all one giant strip. Well, maybe that's a good thing.
We might be able to save some
I'll
of
be able to
it.
save this.
Unbelievable.
You just got peeled like a banana.
We might be able to pound it back out.
I think it might be okay.
Good souvenir. Race New Smyrna, huh?
Yeah.
It's fun, they said. Didn't go the way we wanted it to. You saw it. We got caught up in a couple of different accidents and lost the whole front of the truck, basically. So I'm going to wait till I see any video footage to say much about it, but we'll take a look back and see. You can let me know what you think in the comments. I'm sure everyone's going to have an opinion either way, but that's racing. At least we were going fast enough to be in the mix and get torn up, so that's kind of a win for us. But yeah, we'll put it back together. Nothing on it is that bad, I don't think. Everything looks like it's going to be mostly just fiberglass, metal, and you know, fun stuff like that. So not a big deal. It happens. We might be cursed at Speed Weeks. I don't know. We got broken in the lineup chute last week. Broke on the track this year. Last year, thanks. But yeah, what are you gonna do? That's racing. We'll put it back together. We'll come back and try it again. It's gonna be a little bit until we get back on the track. Maybe it's probably gonna be about 2 months. But we're gonna take you through putting this back together. We're gonna make some more videos with the Cup car we're restoring. So lots of good stuff. Thanks for coming back and watching us. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you.
Hold it up in front of him. Yeah.
And then it made him go. What the hell?